Hi guys, famous unboxing YouTuber N7 Spongy here. Today we're going to unbox my new laptop because my old one broke. I think I hit too many children with it, and it kind of fell apart on me one day, like my own body did. Yeah. Ow, 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 ow! Okay, let's see. Ow. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's a laptop. It's a boy or a girl or something. Ah. You might be wondering, Nealon, why didn't you get a fucking pair of scissors? Well, I just thought it would soothe my psychopathic tendencies to perform a C-section on this box with my own very hands. It's what I do because I'm damaged. I'm so messed up inside, you know? This is my twisted mind. Oh yeah. Take out the placenta. Now the protective covering that we know all babies come with. Look at that. One sexy gaming laptop. Now time for the durability test.